Ashwini. I am studying it. Today my topic is abacus.
Good morning everyone. My name is Soumya. I am studying in fifth grade.
Today we are tackling abacus addition rules. Soumya, do you know big friend of one is?
Especially big friend of one is 9, 7, big friend of 9 is
Soumya, turn this way and say.
big friend of 9 is 7, 9, big friend of 1 is 9, 7, 9, 10. Question, do you know big friend of 8 is big friend of
Yes, Soumya, I know big friend of 2 is 8 and 8 content. Soumya, do you know big friend of 3 is?
Especially big friend of 3 is 7, 7, 7 content. Question, do you know big friend of 4 is
Yes, Soumya, I know big friend of 4 is 6 and 6 content. Soumya, do you know big friend of 5 is?
Especially big friend of 5 is 5, 7, 5 content. Question, do you know big friend of 6 is
Yes, Soumya, I know big friend of 6 is 4 and 4 content. Soumya, do you know big friend of 7 is?
Question, I know big friend of 7 is 3, 7, 3 content. Question, do you know big friend of 8 is
Yes, Soumya, I know big friend of 8 is 2 and 2 content. Soumya, do you know big friend of 9 is?
Actually, I know big friend of 9 is 1, 7, 1 content.
Thank you.